Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by assembling assets and opening your layout tool. You need images, product copy, and prices ready. Once done, set page size and margins so elements align predictably. Make a master page for header, footer, and page numbers to save time. You should place low-res placeholders first to lock layout, then swap high-res images. Make sure styles for titles, body, and captions are defined. This ensures consistent typography and speeds up later edits. You now build pages using your master and styles, apply grid columns, and align product blocks so the eye flows naturally. While you place images, check color profile and resize to target dimensions to avoid bloated PDF files. Once placed, link files rather than embed them to maintain editability and reduce file size. Make grouped objects for repeated layouts and use auto page numbering. If you need a table of contents, generate it last from your heading styles to ensure accuracy. You finish by exporting using the right PDF preset for your distribution channel so colors and bleeds are preserved. Once exported, proof the PDF on screen and print one spread to validate margins and legibility. Adjust if text or images appear off. If fonts look wrong, embed or outline them. If images are missing, relink and export again. Make sure to keep a packaged source folder for revisions. One key tip: check per-flight warnings first to catch issues early.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.